This dictation is 60 words per minute, taken from Sir Kailash Chandra's shorthand transcription number 491. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready? Take for instance the huge number of complaints about licensing. We do not know what is the policy of licensing. In certain sectors, there has been over licensing. In certain others, there is not much of licensing. Also, we see that the licenses which have been granted have not been properly utilized, partly because the government has not been able to remove some of the official bottlenecks. Take the instance of collaboration agreements. In the matter of collaboration, we find considerable delay and lack of quick decision. As a result, the licenses issued by the department have not been utilized. Again, take the import and export wing of the department, and there you see the same slackness, the same indecision, and the same indefiniteness about anything. Therefore, for the ministry to function effectively, it is necessary that the ministry should have a stable future and should have adequate powers and responsibilities. No modern country in the world can cut or slash portfolio or ministries without national basis, but unfortunately here and particularly in this ministry, slashing or cutting has been going on without heed being paid to the needs of development and to the needs of efficiency. I am afraid if this process were to continue, it would be difficult to create the climate and confidence which are so necessary for running industries in this country. Para, my friend was speaking about state trading. On this question, I feel that no precise policy decision has been made by the government so far. I say this because any policy decision should be preceded by a lot of thinking, and it has to be done preferably at the budget time or before that. Now a decision has been taken by the government that instead of one state trading corporation, there should be two. The reason given is that there is enormous increase in the work and range of activity, and therefore another corporation is necessary, and there should be more allotment of grant for that purpose. Para, I should like to know what are the important sectors of trade which will come under state trading in the future, and if there had been planning or a policy, certainly there should be perspective for the next 10 or 15 years as to how state trading will develop. But by looking at the history of state trading, I feel that no attempt has been made to systematize the work, and no planning is there, and the country does not know what would be the extent of state trading and what would be the schedule of commodities which the state trading is now going to take up. Stop.